สวัสดีค่ะ everyone. Today I will cook grilled beef salad. In Thai we call Pla Neua. Let's start with the dressing first. For the dressing, you need to add fish sauce, palm sugar. For the sugar, it depends on how sweet you like. I don't like much sweet, so I will add just a little bit. Lime juice. And the most important thing is Thai chili paste. Now give it a good mix. Make sure you stir until the sugar is all dissolved. At this point, you can taste a little bit to know that you need to add more sweetness, sourness or saltiness. For me, I need a little bit of sourness. But sweetness and saltiness is great already. Alright, now let's go to the vegetables part. You can use any fresh vegetable you like, but what you cannot miss is red shallots and mint. For me, I'm going to use tomato, and what I'm going to do is I will cut them into bite-sized wedges. The next one I'm going to use is Thai celery, but of course you can use regular celery that you can find in supermarket around you. So I will just cut them into batons. I will cut green onion into batons as well. The classic version of this salad, you have to add lemongrass, but if you can't find it, it's okay, just skip it. Because the lemongrass is quite tough, so I will thinly slice it. If you don't have shallot, you can use red onion or just regular onion, is fine. I'm going to thinly slice it as well. The last veggie that I need to prepare is chilies. It's optional, but it's not Thai food if you don't add chilies. With this recipe, I'm going to marinate the beef with just salt, black pepper, and some baking soda because my meat is quite cheap cut, so it's not very tender, and baking soda is going to help make the meat become tender. Before adding seasoning to your beef, make sure to dry a little bit first. Not too much baking soda, just a little bit for both sides. Then rub it well. I will leave it sit for about 15 minutes before I will grill it. I will turn on the gas. Then I will add some oil. And once the oil is hot, I'm going to bring in the beefsteak. I love medium rare, so I just grilled it for a few minutes, but feel free to grill longer than this if you like medium. I will leave the beef rest for about 5 minutes before slicing it. Add everything into a bowl, including meat. Then give it a quick toss. Lastly, add the mint. The grilled beef salad is finished. It's time to give it a try, shall we? I will try to put everything in one bite. Okay, here. Have tomato, shallot, celery, herb, chili, everything. It's delicious. Everything goes very well together. The beef, the dressing, the herbs, the fresh vegetables. This is why I told you to not over marinate the beef, because our dressing is already tasty and full of flavor. So if you marinate the beef with soy sauce, fish sauce is going to ruin the taste of the dressing. Lately I'm very busy because now I'm on my cookbook project. I'm going to publish before 5 of December for sure, so stay tuned. My first cookbook. Alright, as always, if you enjoyed this video, please give me a like, subscribe for more yummy recipe every week. Thank you for watching. See you next week. ขอบคุณค่ะ Bye bye. I will enjoy my grilled beef salad.